Here now with Chris Holmes. He's the Southeast Manager for SureWorks Jackson. What's the difference between SureWorks and Jackson? Clarify that for us real quick.
Yeah, sure thing. It's definitely a popular question. So SureWorks is the parent company, and we house all of the brands: Jackson Safety, PeakWorks, Cellstrom, and many others. Really working towards being a one-stop shop for all the welding and safety needs.
All right, for distributors, what are some of the typical products that they would buy from you guys?
So Jackson's a legacy name in the industry, so any of your HSL 100s, that's all going to ring a bell. We have the Wilson welding blanket lines. We have some new welding hoods that have just come out, like our 280PL and our TransUnion 555 Plus. Some really great options to look at.
Perfect. And that sounds like some of the more popular movers. What about some of the things that maybe people don't know about SureWorks or Jackson?
Man, there's so much. We try to squeeze so much information into a small amount of time. The best thing I would say is that we just have a lot of great programs to offer our distribution partners out there. We have a lot of great products now and coming. We have our Pappers that will be coming later on this year, so we'll be reintroducing those to the market along with some other things, and just helping our distribution partners diversify their offerings. So any kind of safety needs, whether it's tool and equipment, or safety, ice traction, so on and so forth. I mean, we have it all.
All right, cool. How about aside from the products, any additional value trainings or anything that you want to speak on?
Yeah, appreciate you asking. So we're really making a concerted effort to provide trainings not only to distribution but to end users. So we're working together with our distribution partners this year to make those joint calls, provide that training, whether it's virtual or in person. We prefer in person if we can do it. And then we have programs for both sides.
All right. How about some of the distributors that weren't able to make it here to Philadelphia? It looks like you brought some stuff with you in the booth. Anything you want to show them for the viewers at home?
Sure. All right. So this is our Max View. This is it's a great face shield to use. It's going to encompass from ear to ear. You're going to get the most coverage out of it, and it's super light and very affordable. We have some really great programs on that. And then just from our welding hood offering, this is the 555 I was talking about. That's going to be a top-of-the-line welding hood there, very affordable price though. I put that up against any of the welding hoods out there. It has our 370 headgear in it with the red dial, easy to move, or easy to adjust I should say, and it has all the digital controls inside. And then from a diversification standpoint, we have our Knee Pro 3 knee pads, which a lot of people overlook. Very nice knee pad. That orange spot there is a traction pad, so you're not going to slide around. And instead of Velcro, we have a hook system. So a lot of times the Velcro will get dirty from soot and such, and so we have the hook there, so it's going to last longer. Antimicrobial pad there as well, so it's going to reduce that odor. So just a really great option if you're on your knees a lot working and in a factory or wherever you might find yourself. It's going to keep your legs safe. Also, I'll mention the dual strap, so it's at your lower thigh and upper calf, so you're not going to find these bunching up behind your knee, which is obviously very uncomfortable. The last thing I'll mention is our Jackson SGs. These are some great safety glasses that we have to offer. Very flexible, very comfortable. Definitely give those a look. We have 40 plus different styles to choose from with different frames and lens styles. Definitely take a look there and give us a call if we can help out.
All right, there you have it. Great update from Chris. Thank you so much, Chris, for everything that you do for us. It's always great to see you at these industry events. We appreciate the support from SureWorks and Jackson, and good luck the rest of the show.
Thank you very much, sir.
All right.
See you.